Hi, my name is Cornelia, and today I will show you guys tutorial how to create virtual environment in Python. And this is first part of our project for data science workflow using Python class. So be ready. So first step, we supposed to update our console. So sudo apt update. Oops, and it's updating. It was really quick. Right now we supposed to switch install our Python. So Python free virtual environment. And we have our Python. Right now we can create free each like free environments. NV1 and create virtual environments, virtual environments 2 and third. Um, right now we can activate our virtual environment by oh, hold on. So uh, name of our environment bin activate, and we can see it's here. We can also install some packages and install numpy, and we have numpy right now. And also here we can paste numpy. Beep, beep. We can also print some code in our first environment. For example, print I love Python. Um, and we have our code. So right now, if you wanna go to another environment or just exit our Python, we can write the activate of the art deactivate. And as we see, we don't have environment one, and we can move on to another environment. Sources, environment two, bin activate, and we have environment two, and we can do pip install pandas, and we have pandas almost installing. We have to wait. It's right, it's okay. And we have pandas, and right now I can do pip list, and we can see, oh, we have also numpy and pandas and environment too, because we didn't deactivate. No, we have deactivate. That's interesting. Let's see our environment. Deactivate. Okay, I did mistake. Hold on. Deactivate. And right now we can go to source oil, environment free, and we can do pip list, and we have nothing. So right now we can add, for example, um, pip install. And we have, okay, so we have like NumPy and sci-fi, sci-fi. And we should check this. And we have NumPy and sci-fi. Good. Everything is fine. And we need the, we can do some coding. Python, C, print only, okay, sci-fi. Mm, deactivate. Oh no, there are city. Nice. So that's it. Three different awesome codes. Verify that each is truly independent by showing installing libraries and other technique we do like. We got this. Download different packages and how to create three different environments. Yes. So that's it. Thank you.